I wanted to make a little quick install video of putting on the Chimera side stand on a 2023 Super Cub. Before, I purchased this from Steady Garage, by the way. Before I bought their model for a 2022 thinking it should be the exact same. It was definitely not. So when I installed this, I had to grind down the foot because when you put on the side stand, it just never really leaned over as much as it should, and it always felt like it was going to tip over. So they did come out with a newer model now. They look very similar, but when you compare the old with the new, you can see the angle of the feet are definitely different. So we're gonna pop on the 2023 and up model today. It's only 4 bolts, nothing to it, so let's get right into it. All right, we're underneath the Cub here. So what you're gonna get is 4 bolts in 2 little spacers. You loosen up the bracket right here, loosen it up, put the spacers in between the bracket and the engine, and then screw those in a little bit, hold it up. Then you're gonna get 2 other separate bolts. You're going to take the kickstand, put it between the center stand foot pegs and the engine, and then take a bolt. Yeah, sorry, it's kind of hard to see here. That's no better. Hold on. Sorry, the angle's still pretty hard to get, but so you're going to take kickstand, put it between the bracket and the engine frame, start a bolt. Let me do this end one here. And that will directly bolt up to your engine. Start that one there. Take the other one right here, go through the bottom foot pegs up through the kickstand directly into the engine. And then all we will do is button everything up here. It's a 1/2-inch drive by the 1/2-inch socket. Come on. Let's get the kickstand out of the way. There we go. Oh my God, come on. I'm not gonna go crazy tight on these. Just get them a little snug. You don't want to strip anything out. All right, that one's there. That one's tight there. I know some people have had to adjust their rear brakes after the fact, so make sure you check how it feels after you install this. My other one I didn't need to, but this one I may. All right, that's all tightened down, and that is all there is to it. Let's flip this down and see how it works. All righty, let's see if it's any better here. Oh yeah, way better than the 21 to 22 models. Bike has a nice lean to it now. Yeah, before you could barely press it, this thing would want to tip over. So that's all there is to it. Like I said, just 4 bolts, loosen them up, throw the bracket between the pegs and the engine, and bolt it on up. But yeah, that's all it takes. Hopefully it helps someone out there.